Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video, we shall be starting a new topic, which is titled How to Solve Linear Equations. Now, what are linear equations? Linear equations are those equations whose highest power is 1. For example, if I have x plus 2 equal to 7, this is a linear equation because the unknown has highest power of 1. Now, if we have, for example, we have, let's say we have x squared minus 3, for example, equal to 8. This is not a linear equation because the highest power of the unknown is 2. So this is not a linear equation. This is called a quadratic equation. This is a linear equation because the highest power of the unknown is 1. So we have different types of linear equation. Now, what you are seeing right here is an example of a linear equation in one variable. So if I have this, let's say I have, for example, y plus 3 equal to 2. This is a linear equation in one variable because it has just one unknown. If I have this, for example, I have x plus y equal to 7. This has two unknowns. We have 1 and we have 2. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Also, if we have, let's say we have x plus 2y is equal to 3z. This is a linear equation in three variables because it has three unknowns, which is x, y, and z. So, in the course of these things, we shall be explaining how we can solve linear equation in one variable, in two variables, and in three variables. Now, before we move into some work, I want us to note that a linear equation will always give a straight line graph. So for example, when we plot a linear equation, the graph will look like this. All right? So a linear equation always gives a straight line graph. Now let's look at an example. In today's video, we shall look at linear equations containing addition. And I'll be showing us two methods for solving this kind of question. Now, we're asked to solve the equation x plus 4 equal to 10. Now, when we are asked to solve a linear equation, what we're asked to do is to find the unknown. In this case, x. We have to find x. Now, let's use a first method. If I have x plus 4 equal to 10, now I have to look for a way to get my x on its own. So, in my first method, I will move my plus 4 to my right. Now, in math, when you move or when you are moving a positive number to your right, when a positive number crosses the equality sign, it becomes a negative number. Please take note of that. Very important. So therefore, my plus 4 has moved to my right. So I'm left with x. So I have x is equal to 10 minus 4. So therefore, my x is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. That's the answer. So let's solve the same question using a different approach. Now, we can also solve this method or solve this equation by subtracting plus 4 from both sides. Now, the reason why I'm doing that is that I have to look for x. I have to solve for x. So for me to solve for x, I have to eliminate plus 4. And for us to eliminate plus 4, I have to subtract plus 4 from minus 4. So when I subtract plus 4 from minus 4, that should give us what? 0. And I will be left with x. So for my second method, I will subtract 4 from both sides. So therefore, we have x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 4. So the main reason why we're doing this is to eliminate any number on my left-hand side so that I can be left with just x. So plus 4 minus 4 will give us 0. So we are left with x equal to, what is 10 minus 4? That is 6. So that is our answer. So you can see that we can solve linear equations containing addition in 2 methods. So I hope you understand this concept. Here is a question for you, just to assess your understanding of today's video. You are free to solve this question and leave your answers in the comment box below, or you can send us your solutions to this question to our email address right here. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.